Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rashi Rahul here. As everyone knows that laser hair reduction is the mostly performed procedure nowadays. It's a safe and effective method of removing hair from the body. But a lot of people have misconception regarding it. The most common misconception is whether it's a permanent hair removal or a permanent hair reduction. It's not a permanent hair removal, but it's a long-term laser hair reduction. The main purpose of laser is damaging your hair follicles by heating up the shaft of the hair. The main target of laser becomes melanin, that is the pigment, the color into your hair follicle. The light, that is the laser, get absorbed by the melanin in the hair, and that's the way it damages the hair follicle. This also explains that people who have darker and thicker hair growth gets better results rather than the thinner hair growth. And it's also easy to understand that it cannot work on grey hair. The second common query is why do you need so many sessions? So the laser light targets only the hair which is in anagen phase. That means the growth phase. All the hair in the body cannot be in the growth phase at one time. So the laser targets each and every follicle on the body. It can be used as an aesthetic form of laser to get rid of the unwanted hair growth. A lot of people suffering from unwanted hair growth, that means thick coarse hair on the face or the chin area or the upper lip area. There are a lot of reasons behind this hair growth. Before you start with your laser hair reduction, you should always get yourself have a fear that laser causes cancer. So there's nothing like that. Also, people think that it has a lot of side effects. So there are no side effects. Even after doing the laser, your skin is absolutely soft and smooth. There is no redness, no edema, no pain, no burning sensation. So laser can be a lot confusing because there are a lot of technologies in the market and every doctor has faith in their own lasers. So always meet your skin expert, get your skin analyzed, and then start with your laser. So much for watching this video. If you have any query, do ask. Visit us at Kalyani Nagar and Magarpatta for a free consultation of the laser. We are running with a lot of offers nowadays, so do visit us. Bye bye.